Hello kids, welcome to our channel. First topic is counting in ones. Let's start. Counting from 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's learn counting in ones using an object. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's recount fastly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Next topic is counting in twos. Let's start. Counting in twos means adding 2 to each number as you count. It skips every other number. Starting from the number 0, we will make 2 jumps to reach from one number to another. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Let's recount fastly. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. Next topic is counting in fives. Let's start. The process of counting every fifth number, starting from 0. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. There is a pattern. The digit in the ones place alternates between 5 and 0. Counting in fives using objects. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Next topic is counting in tens. Let's start. Each number is 10 more than the one before. Starting from the number 0, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Counting in tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, Overview. Number grid from 1 to 100. Counting in ones. Counting in twos. Counting in fives. Counting in tens. Fun quiz game. Counting challenge. Look at these balloons. Count them in twos. How many are there? Answer is 10. Let's count together. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Wow, so many stars. How many are there if we count in fives? Answer is 15. 5, 10, 15. Find missing numbers. Question is 2, 4, 8, 10, 12. Answer is 6. Question is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 80, 90, 100. Answer is 70. Number match. Numbers 4, 12. 3. Objects. Numbers 10, 1, 6. Objects. Thank you for watching.